As the campaign in Delhi enters its final hours, we are joined by Master Strategist and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley to get a sense of what this Delhi election really stands for. Mr. Jaitley, it's a neck-and-neck fight. Somewhere is the BJP blaming itself for not having these elections earlier, closer to May, when you really had the advantage and the momentum of Modi?
Constitutional mechanism. And the constitutional mechanism is that the Lieutenant Governor has to exhaust over a reasonable period of time the possibility of forming a government in Delhi. It's only after he's exhausted all possibilities that he will recommend to the President that a government can be formed or the government or the assembly should be dissolved. We were not concerned with the political prospect of a party. We are really concerned with that the process had to be gone through. And therefore, you had to make all efforts to form a government. And if there's a stalemate, a government is not possible, then you go back and say a government is not possible now.
Mr. Jaitley, Arvind Kejriwal has today virtually laid out a bait for the BJP. He said that if it's a victory in Delhi, it will be Narendra Modi's victory. But if it's a loss, it will be Kiran Bedi's loss. How do you see this?
Well, I don't even think it's necessary to react to these kind of statements. The BJP is contesting collectively. At the national level, we have the leadership of the Prime Minister. At the party level, we have the leadership of Mr. Amit Shah. In Delhi, Kiranji is leading the party. Therefore, everyone is equally responsible, irrespective of the result. But let me tell you, we are extremely confident of a victory.
Mr. Jaitley, many say that BJP had tried and tested its formula in Maharashtra, in Jharkhand, and in Haryana of going without a face. The fact that you brought in a face like Kiran Bedi late in the day into the Delhi polls is somewhere to insulate the senior leadership?
No. I think the strategy of every state has to be different because the context of every state is different. And in Delhi, we couldn't get a better candidate than Kiran Bedi. We have a tradition in the BJP of a lateral entry into the party. Even now, General V.K. Singh is a lateral entry. General Khanduri was a lateral entry. Mr. Jaswant Singh at some stage was a lateral entry. We've had dozens of such cases of lateral entry into the party of very good people who have served the party well. Now, a person like Kiran Bedi, who has a 40-year track record of an iconic police officer, a stickler for law and rules, a person capable of providing good governance, high standards of integrity and probity, and an established reputation. What better could we ask for? And a lady on top of that. And therefore, the party has taken a conscious decision, and I do believe that it's the correct decision that we have taken.
Mr. Jaitley, this is the first time that we are seeing a neck-and-neck fight in Delhi between the BJP and its opponent. This time it is the Aam Aadmi Party. In other states, you were seen to be ahead. Does it mean that wherever there is no anti-incumbency and no Congress to fight, the BJP doesn't have that kind of an edge that it has against the Congress?
I don't think that's the issue, because you'll have Bihar now. There won't be a Congress to fight. We'll contest there. In Uttar Pradesh, in the Lok Sabha election, we weren't fighting the Congress. We were fighting Samajwadi Party. So it depends on the context of every state. In Delhi, of course, one fact is very curious, that Congress in Delhi seems to be weaker now than the Congress in UP. Because where is the Congress in this entire campaign? That itself means that a new political party has come up, and the fight is predominantly with us, with Congress acting as a spoiler in a few seats here or there.
Are you surprised by the neck-and-neck fight between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP?
Every election is a tough election. We don't take any election seriously. We were being told before the Lok Sabha elections, where will you get the balance from? Nobody gave us 282 seats. Nobody thought we can win a majority of seats in Haryana ourselves. Nobody for a moment thought after the breakup with Shiv Sena we'll get 125 seats in Maharashtra. Nobody for a moment thought that nobody has ever got a majority in Jharkhand. We got it. And we swept the whole Jammu regions. Please wait for the polling tomorrow and the results of the 10th.
Mr. Jaitley, you've raised a whole issue, the party has raised a whole issue about the funding of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, you're the finance minister. Arvind Kejriwal has virtually given a dare to you, saying that come and arrest me if I've done anything wrong. You in your blog have said that this is not a fault under the IPC, so there is no question of an arrest. So will this just remain a poll gimmick really on both sides?
We have very responsible institutions. The Election Commission is there. The whole Revenue Department is there. They don't function on political lines. Mr. Kejriwal has been a revenue service officer. He knows that when you round trip black money and bring it through such fake companies, fake directors, fake addresses, it's the revenue authorities, the tax department which takes action. Ministers don't go and order arrest of people. These are diversionary tactics. And that's what I said today before an honest assessing officer or a tax official. If this case were to come, what would he do? Advise the assessee to write to the Supreme Court Chief Justice? Or for that matter, say that please arrest me under the penal code. Well, these are all diversionary tactics because on facts, how do you get 2 crores from non-existent entities which have no directors and no addresses? This question has not been answered.
So this is the finance minister speaking. Are we looking at investigations in these cases?
I'm not going to comment on this because these are matters which revenue officials and election commission officials look after. I'm quite sure that they are very responsible and they'll do their duty.
Mr. Jaitley, too close for call the Delhi elections. How do you put it? The cephalogist in you.
You see, participatory cephalogy will give you all kinds of contrary results. I'm not going in for that. I'm waiting for the results and we are quite confident.
That was Arun Jaitley clearly saying that the BJP is confident of bringing in a victory in Delhi. Will that mean Arvind Kejriwal is trounced, or is it once again a repeat of 2013 where the BJP will be left with a little bit in the run-up to the final position? Navika Kumar in New Delhi for Times Now.